Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text size in Excel graph. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook and open the chart. Now we can see here the chart. Now we want to change the text size of this chart. You can change the size manually, otherwise you can change the size default. Go to the file menu, then select the option menu and go to the general option, and we can see here the font size drop down menu. You can change this. Now I make 20 and click OK. Again click OK, then close the Excel, then reopen the Excel on your computer. Now I am open my last file, then check the size of the font. We can see we change the size easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.